Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delights. Today we'll be making fried egg with tamarind sauce. For today's recipe, I'm having here 4 room temperature eggs. To get started with crispy fried eggs, we're gonna add in the eggs at oil temperature 340 F 170 C. This temperature is perfect for making super crispy fried eggs. I'm gonna drop in the eggs one at a time. These fried eggs are gonna fry up super fast, about 1 minute, and we're gonna flip them halfway through. After 1 minute, the fried eggs has turned nicely golden brown on both sides. Now that we have crispy fried eggs, it's time for making crispy fried shallots. To make this, I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of rice flour and 40 grams of thinly sliced shallots. I'm gonna give it a good mix until the shallots are evenly coated. In the same pan, over medium-low heat, add in the shallots. The next step, we're gonna make the sauce. For the sauce, I'm using tamarind pulp. Usually, if you go to the supermarket, it will come into a bar like this. If you're using a tamarind pulp like me, you have to prepare this before use. In today's recipe, I'm gonna use about 20 grams of tamarind pulp. Into a bowl, we're gonna add in the tamarind pulp and 8 tablespoons or half a cup of hot water. Then I'm gonna use a spoon to break the pulp up. After this, the water should begin to turn brown and thicken from the tamarind. The next step, we're gonna pour the tamarind water over a strainer and use the spoon to press as much pulp through as possible. And don't forget to take the good stuff underneath the strainer. Once it's done, we will get about 4 tablespoons of tamarind paste. Set this aside for now. Into the saucepan, add in 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. And next, in goes 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Then add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add in 4 tablespoons of tamarind paste. 2 tablespoons of water. Over medium-low heat, we're gonna bring the mixture to a gentle boil. We will keep stirring like this for 1 minute or until the sugar is fully dissolved. When you see the bubbles coming up like this, we will quickly turn off the heat. Once the sauce is done, it will continue to thicken up as they cool down. While we wait for the sauce to cool down a little bit, we're gonna cut the fried egg in half. For garnish, we're gonna top the fried shallots over the fried eggs. Drizzle the sauce on top of the eggs and garnish on top with cilantro or coriander. And there you have it, crispy fried egg with tamarind sauce. This dish is best served with rice. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.